Who's your girlfriend?
Haley picked me. Haley and Hannah picked my friend from soccer.
Alex?
No.
No, another kid?
Yeah. You remember his name?
No, I don't remember his name. But Haley picked you, huh?
Yep.
Does she think you're cute?
Yeah.
So did you wear cologne for her yesterday?
She smelled it.
Look at me, Gavin. Gavin. She smelled your cologne?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She knew where the smell was at.
She did.
It's up here. I was up here and she came up here and she smelled it.
Oh, yeah?
Uh,